Hello, viewers, citizens and future citizens of the decentralized nation of Algorithms. Today, we're going to be looking at the store section of algorithms.com so you can see how the web3 store works on Algorithms. So, once we go to the website, we could go into the store section of the website. We click on store and we're going to see the options we have for the items on the store. So if we go to the search bar, you'll be able to search for items in detail. Let's say you're looking for toys. So if you click search, it'll give you the section of toys, and there you could pick whatever toys we have available or subsections of the toys. If you go back to the store section, you'll be able to see the sections divided by, let's say, bestseller, weekly deals, clothing, jewelry, watches, sportswear, toys, games. There's different sections, and each section is the type of items you're going to see there. So let's look at, let's say, I would say bestsellers. If we click there, then you'll be able to see the items on bestsellers. And if you look at it, if you look at the items, you're going to be able to see the variety of items we have. We will be taking suggestions. We have, a variety of different items. But let's say you're choosing the phone. So in the left side, you'll see the dollar amount of the item, and then you'll see on the right side, you'll see the algo amount of the item according to the token price at the time. If you click on the item, you'll be able to see more information regarding the selected item. In this case, you see the dollar amount of the cost of the dollar, then you see that in dollars, then you see the algo cost, the delivery in dollars cost, and if we scroll down, you'll be able to see more pictures related to the item, so you could have a better close-up look of what you're buying or getting. And then if we go lower, you'll be able to see a more detailed description of the item, and also you have the option to leave a review or see reviews left by other buyers on the site. And if you go on the top right side, you'll be able to pick how many items you want. Let's say you pick one item. The total cost of the item is 288, $288. And with the algo, with the shipping, the total will be, in this case, for one item, it will be um, 19,677. So all you have to do is connect your MetaMask wallet. So the tokens could be deducted from your wallet, so you could obtain the item. Here we see the wallet connected via Web3 to the store. Here you will see your balance in algo, and here's your wallet from where the tokens will be deducted to get the item. So once you do that, then you can actually disconnect your wallet and connect it again. It all depends on what you want to do. So once we're connected, you could just pick how many items you want. You click, let's say, on buy. You'll be able to put the address where the item will be shipped. Let's say 123, I don't know, Sales Avenue, or then you put the city and state. And on the top part, you'll be able to put the recipient's name or the name of the person who's going to receive the item or the delivery. Here we see the item's price, the total, with the shipping and everything on the bottom part. And once you see that, then you should be able to just click OK. In this case, we're not going to press OK, but you can also cancel the order by pressing the cancel button. And this is pretty much it. If you press OK, then your item will be delivered. The funds will be deducted from, or tokens will be deducted from your MetaMask wallet balance. You could also change the page into Spanish. Um, and pretty much that's about it. I appreciate your attention. I hope that this video was helpful when it comes to the store and the website. And I hope you have a really nice day and you join us our social media to be able to obtain these prizes and giveaways and rewards where we will be giving to our subscribers and users. Hopefully, we could make this project grow together. And thank you very much for your attention and have a good day.